Hello everyone. I'm going to be tuning two planes today. The reason I'm tuning them is because the bottoms are a little worn and I got some stuff coming up where I'm going to be using these planes. I already used them on every project, so they're pretty worn. And the other reason is I want to apply a finish to both planes. So now is the perfect time to tune them. So I got this. This is the scrub plane you see me use all the time. I got it upside down. I got my square ready, my winding sticks. There's a low spot, I believe, right around the mouth. So I'm going to hit this until the low spot disappears. Check it for square, and that'll be that. Very nice. That was quick. Let's do this one. Let's see which way the grain runs on this. Hopefully we can get this done this way. So let's see if there's a wear spot in here. This is pretty flat. I'm just going to take a few shots off of it and just clean it up. A little wear right in front of the mouth. Okay, that's very nice that way. It should still be pretty square. Yeah, that looks good. Real nice. Okay, that's it. Two planes tuned up, ready for sanding, ready for finish, and ready to be put back into service. Thank you very much, everybody. Stay strong.